Okay, so I'm doing an example here for David. Hopefully this will work just fine. So I can't do maths like you, David, so I'm going to do some computer science maths. And this is a mantissa and exponent. So the exponent is -1, meaning that the decimal point needs to move 1 to the left. Can I change colour? I can change colour, look at that. So I'm going to go, that is going to move 1 to the left there. Now because it's a negative number, that means that this, we add on a leading 1. Can't get rid of that colour now, yes I can. So our final number is 1.11100. So to convert this into denary, this is -1, and you have to add on a half, add on a quarter, and add on an eighth. So that means that this is -1/8. I think. You can correct me on that if you like, David.